In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to log into the desktop and web version for the Arattai Messenger. I'm going to show you how to do this on a Windows 10 PC, but if you have other versions of Windows, you could just get to the Arattai website and you could check it out for yourself if it actually works for you. But this is what you need to do. So the first thing is get hold of your Android phone, and then you get to Google Play. You go ahead and download Arattai, A-R-A-T-T-A-I. You install the application and you open it. Then you go ahead and sign up and log in. Okay, I'm very much sure you already have the application. Then once you are completely logged in, you go ahead and click on the menu option to the top left out here. You get a pop-up menu, click on link a device and just wait on the screen. The next thing is get on your laptop or PC and just do a search for Arattai. Click on the first suggestion. You get to the official website. And then if you want to log into the web version of Arattai, you click on login. You scan this QR code and log in. If you are facing an issue with logging in using your QR code, you could sign in with your mobile phone number instead. And then you are going to be completely logged into your account. So whenever you have chats on the application, it is automatically going to be synced to the web version of Arattai so that you could communicate with your friends or family members from your PC itself, similar to WhatsApp. And if you want to use the desktop application for your Windows PC, click on download now. Select your device out here. Just remember to select the correct download option. If you have a 32-bit Windows system, select this. If you have a 64-bit Windows system, select this. Or if you want to get to the Microsoft Store so that it automatically detects what system you have and provides you with the download option, you could click on this button. So as you could see, this is getting downloaded to my Windows PC. It's going to be the same procedure, how you are logging into the Arattai web account. So once downloaded, get to the downloads folder or wherever your applications get downloaded. Double click on the app. So it is just like logging into your Arattai web account. Just scan this QR code and log into your account. That's it. Or you could use your mobile phone number, get an OTP and log in. That's it. I hope this helps and I hope you got some value. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon.